In primetime news this evening, Ministry of Education gives first day of school a passing grade. It looks like another year of no school for some students in rural Jamaica. And later, we explore how crime and violence is threatening education in one inner city community.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, today marked the beginning of the new academic year. What was the first day of school like? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.